So, are you people able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for confirmation. Let's see. Okay. So yesterday we have seen website. So about website. So what are the basics of the website? How to do the website? Everything we have known. Okay. For website, what we need to have domain and server. So today we'll discuss on domain and server. What is domain and what are the server? So what is domain? Anybody? Name of the company. Okay. So you can say name of the company, name of the person, name of whatever you want to make, you can make. Okay. So you can take name of the company, and after that you have to check. After taking thinking about name, you have to check the name whether this name is available or not. So why? Because already people may register. Okay. For example, if digitalmarketing.com you want to take. Okay. Digitalmarketing.com is already may taken also. Okay. So somebody may taken, so it is not that every time it will be stay like that only. Okay. People can take any name. There is a no restriction at all. So how to check the name? So we have it different companies we have. Okay. So one of the popular company is GoDaddy. Okay. So GoDaddy is the one of the largest company in the India. So here you can check whether domain is available or not. Okay. First we will check that whether domain is available or not. Where to go? Simply I need to go to GoDaddy like this, and I go to the GoDaddy. Here, what I need to type? I need to type what the name I want to take. For example, I want to take VR Digitals. Okay, VR Digital Marketing. Okay, so here I want to take vrdigitalmarketing.com. I am searching. After that, here GoDaddy is giving the information via digital marketing somebody has taken. Okay, .com is not available, but here you can see .in is available, co.in is available, info, xyz shop. So in the name of here some other extensions. What we call these are the extensions. So .com, .in, co.in, info, xyz shop, all these what called extensions. Okay. Domain and domain extension. Later on I'll tell what are these extensions. First we'll check whether it's available or not. So for example, if I'm ready to take, okay, via digitalmarketing.in I can take. So here the prices may be vary for each domain. Okay. And also with extension, whatever you are taking the extension, the prices may vary. For example, for info you can see 429, and for xyz 169. Depending on the domain, they will GoDaddy or some company will take the prices and make us available. If you are interested, you can take it. Okay. Sometimes some companies may go for more kind of things also. Here you can see 5,000. Sometimes in lakhs also you can able to see. Some companies may be, if you search, they may be go for 50,000, 70,000, or 1 lakh also. So why it is that? So for example, we are digitalmarketing.com is already taken. So somebody is using and they have their presence in the online is already there. For example, they have ran the website for 2 or 3 years. What happened? The website presence, online presence will be more. So and lot of people can know. Okay. So because of that, so what happened? The prices may go up high. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay. So here you need to want to take any other. extension you can take. The only the thing is here, whenever choosing your name you have to make sure there will be a no spelling mistake. Okay, if I made any spelling mistake in here, so what happened, so it is not refundable. Okay, so if I take for 5,000 or 1 rupee or 10,000 or 1 lakh, okay, there is a spelling mistake. Okay, we thought of spelling correct, but after seeing there was a spelling mistake, so we can't exchange that, so it is not refundable also. So that is the, whenever you take the this domains you need to be careful. You have to see one or two times. So it happened to many times, myself also. I taken different spelling mistakes I have taken. After that I realized this was a mistake. Okay, so don't make a mistake in future. Okay, so I want to take .in. So if I click on this, so what I'll, where I'll go, I'll go to the cart page. Okay, so here I can go to continue. Okay, so here I can go to continue, and it is asking some information. If you want email addresses, for each email address 10 GB data will be provided, and per month email 29 rupees. For example, if you join any company, so for you also they create a email. If employees are there, 100 employees are there, so for each employee we need a email ID. Okay, so why, because we have a internal communication. So every office need a internal communication, that is a viable, and it is a important for any communication. Written communication is must. Here in the offices nobody will use the gmails. Okay, they use the internal emails. For this, if you want to go for extra emails, this is the price for each mail. Okay, so we are not seeing that, later on we will see. So instead of that I'll continue the things. Okay, so now we can see the, so we will go to the registration. So it is taking some time. So here it is showing this card page is ready. So here how much it is showing. So earlier it is showing 1 rupee only, but here when you click on here, it is showing 1500, nearly 1500. So this is for 3 years. So any domain or server, it is uh, for yearly renewals, or you can take 2 years or 3 years, depend on how many years you want to renewal. It is not permanent. If you take the domain permanently, it will be stick on for you. It is not like that. Okay, so here if you click on this, here the things are there. So how many years you want to renewal. For example, I want to renew for 1 year. I want to see if business goes well. I will renew once again. So a lot of business people will think like this. Okay, if I'm ready, I need to check out. So GST is applicable, and total amount is how much? Six, nearly 700. Okay. For this, where is the domain? Here you can see the domain name. So we are digitalmarketing.in. If I'm ready to take, how much I need to pay? Nearly 700 rupees. If I take this domain, so I am ready to work on this domain. Okay, I registered the domain. So tomorrow nobody can take this domain for up to 1 year. If anybody type also, they will say domain already taken. Okay, this is the process. In continue process, you can use any kind of credit card, UPI, anything you can use. Okay, it is a simple process. So like this you can use this. Oh, I'm not doing this. Okay, so this is the generally process of taking a domain. Got it? Any doubts, anybody?
So if the client asks us to make the website, we need to ask them how many years you need,
Yes,
like that.
yes, yes. Definitely, we need to take a screenshot and send them. Okay. So this is the price for 1 year. This is the price for 3 years. So he also knows that, and accordingly, sometimes some company says, okay, every year I don't want to again and again renewal. If it is a 5 years or 10 years, they will take it. If it's a already reputed company, they will go for longer years. If it is a small company, they are just startup, so they think that okay, they go for only for 1 year or 2 years, depends on their things. So you can tell them this is the price for 1 year and 2 years, so they can take, or you can send them link. This is the link where you can go. Some companies also have the technical people, so they can also take it. Okay, if people are very much intelligent, they can take it. It's not a big deal for us. If some people will say only you only take everything, I don't want any other things, then you can do by your own. Okay. So now we will see actually, got it no, from till here you are uh, got everything right now, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah, yeah, fine. So here once again we'll see. So what is a domain? Domain is nothing but a unique address of the website in on the internet. Whenever we see a domain, Amazon, Flipkart, or Vola, whatever the company name is, so we are seeing the name of the company. So actually, when you go backend, it is a IP address, 10 dot 20 dot 30 dot like that. It will be showing. Okay, so it on the internet. Okay, as we don't remember that IP addresses, we name it as whatever the names. Okay, here you can see top level domains and secondary level domains. Two domains are there actually. So top level domains means .com, like google.com. Okay, so secondary level means name of the Google only, second level domain, and top level is with extension. Okay, when the domain started in the 1983, DNS introduced by Paul. Okay, and 1985 domain symbolics.com first registered. Okay, so 1998 ICANN was established. So, in the name of Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers, these people are the more authority people. They are the people who gives the license to these GoDaddy or any other companies. Okay, these are the ICANN is a most reputed company established in the 1988, and after that, so there after 1998, lot of people want to take the domains. Then it started .com, org, .net. Earlier only .com was there. So after that, they have started using the .com, org, .net. Now we have a many extensions. Okay, we have a types of domain extensions as we see. So here we can see .com. What is .com? Commercial. What is org? Organization. So who will use org? Mostly non-profits or NGOs or any trustees, they will use the org. Com is most probably commercial companies or any establishments. Okay, they can use the .com. .NET. So what is .NET? It's all about network. For example, if it is a technical company or any software company, they can take this network. It depends. If nothing is there, they can take this .NET as well. Okay. So after this info, some people are giving some information, so they can take info as well. What is this business? Who can take the business? So anything you can take it. Okay, it is not that only .com should be taken. Some people even now also they'll think, if I take .in or org or .net, so will Google will accept my website or not? So Google is nothing like that. So Google doesn't care about if you take .com or org or io or xyz. It only needs the website. Website is already registered and it is able to show it up. Okay, Google doesn't think that if it is a .com only they will take and they will show to the user. It is not like that. Okay, so country level also taken. So for India .in, if it is a US like this. Okay, whichever the country, you can able to see country level domains also we have seen. And also we have a some restricted domains. What are restricted? A personal people can people like us, we can't take this domains, especially .eu, gov, this one. As you know, these are the government organizations, we can't able to take it. If you are in that organization, you can take it easily. They will ask the produce the certificate, so directly will they will not give. You have to submit the separate certificate, then only they will see. And it takes 24 to 48 hours to register. Okay, so here now more top level domains are different kind of a domains already are giving by icon. So dot tech like this, if any are interested, you can take this. So these are the top level domains. Okay, so there is a, here we how we'll understand totally. Domain means https://www amazon.in. So https stands for, anybody? Hypertext transfer protocol, secure. So we have two things here, HTTP also. HTTP is nothing but up to here. So we have it two things. So whenever you type this one, so HTTP will be there, HTTPS also will be there. So what is the difference in this? The S is more secure one. So if anybody wants to hack your website, they can't hack, or they want to see some information on online, they can't uh, do the things. So your website is protected. You can see that one also. For example, if I go for Amazon, so I click on the Amazon.in. So here you can see, whenever here, click on here, there is a lock. Okay, commerce connection is secure. So nowadays all websites are coming HTTPS. Before that, 2 years back, we used to take separate. Initially, we used to take only HTTP. After that, if we are so interested, we have to take S separately. Separate charges are included for that. Those are called SSL. So we need to register separately. If you, for example, if you take like this HTTP, so again I need to go for SSL. Okay, SSL certificate. So that is how they GoDaddy will charge additional amount for this. After that, they will give a process, and it takes 24 hours after you take certificate, this SSL certificate. So after 24 hours it becomes a secure one. Okay, small things, connections we need to do, and if you do, that will happen. Nowadays all servers and domains are coming with HTTPS only. Okay, so now you don't worry about this. Now websites are maximum 90% are S. You have to see that whenever you are taking, where you can see this is not in domain, you can't see, but in server you can see. Okay, so whenever you are taking server, you have to do this. Okay, so what is www? Anybody? Stands for?
World Wide Web.
Correct. So World Wide Web means internet. So simple. Amazon is domain, domain name. Okay. .in is domain extension. So it's a country CC domain extension. Country extension also we can say. Okay. So whenever anybody asks what is this one, you can say country extension, country domain extension. Okay. So this is all about whenever you see any website. This is a full form. This is must. You need to have the knowledge. Okay. Next, a lot of people says that, for example, I have taken my website. We are digital dot in like this. So if I register this one, okay. For example, if I register, so what happened? Lot of people thinks that our website is over. So, 1 minute. Sorry, yeah. Sorry for disturbance. So what is here? Uh, so whenever I register, lot of people, especially clients, will say, "So you are registered, no? So you can do the start working, build the website." So we can't build the website. We have only taken the name. So to build the website, what we need is server. Okay, server is compulsory. Some clients also ask us, so why server is needed for you? Already taken no the domain, so you can start. It is not like that. We can't with only server domain we can't do anything. So for example, it is like a SIM card. You have taken the SIM card and you have not taken the phone. Okay. If you take SIM card, you have to have a phone also. So both the things only have, then you can call or you can do many things. Otherwise, it's only taking a SIM card and you are telling to us to call through SIM card. We can't call. It is same like that. Okay. So now server is compulsory. So what is server? It is a storage. Okay. So what is storage? So, or space. So how we decide? So for example, for this company, I want I want how many pages? 10 pages. How you decide 10 pages? How you decide 5 pages? How you decide 40 pages? So it depends on the services or products you have. Okay. So for example, I have a 5 courses. Okay, how many courses? 5 courses. Okay, what are those courses? DM course, digital marketing course, and second is SEO course, third one is graphic designing course. Okay, fourth one is social media course. Okay, fifth one is YouTube marketing. Okay, like this I have a 5 courses. So what I need to do for all these 5 courses, separate pages I need to create. This separate page and others also same separate pages. So why we need separate pages? Why we need not have only single page, so that everything is there and people can understand. and if he is interested we can come. Okay, that was the reason in earlier days we only giving the information. Now age is about marketing, so we need a marketing. Okay, so when we want to market, we want to market separately. It is not that all together we can't sell it. Okay, so we need a separate pages so that it can be visible. We can write more about digital marketing course. If it is a 5 courses in one page, how much you can write? You can write only one paragraph. Okay, not more than that. Okay, if it is a 5 separate page about digital marketing, you write about lot of things. So what you can write about, what is digital marketing, so what is the duration, what is the syllabus, what is the certificate, like this, what is the fees, what is the job feature, like this much information you can write, right? So people also looking for that information. People are not looking for direct phone number and they can call. So people are looking for information. So if you write that, and then they think that you know everything. Okay, these people know everything, then they go to that website only, they call that. If I written in one page everything, so people will not think, hey, this website, actually what is this, I don't understand in this. In one line, two lines he written and call us, what is this, why I call. So they go to other website. Okay, so that is why you need to create a separate page. So this is 5 pages I created. What is other 5 pages? So other 5 pages is home page, that is essential. About us page is essential. Okay, and gallery, if you want to make gallery, you can make it. Blogs you can make, and also you can make contact us. Okay, so if not gallery, you can make a courses. In courses, under courses you can put all these 5 courses. So how many pages? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. 10 pages you want, like this. If it is a e-commerce website, so how many products? Tomorrow you have to talk to the client, or you need to talk. He will say, I don't know how many pages I want. So you need to ask the, again, how many products you have. So you say 100 products I have. So you need to ask, all 100 pages are everything you want to sell, or some maybe sub products like that. No, it is a separate products. There are absolutely everything is saleable. Okay, then you say you can go for 100 pages. Okay, then he will ask why 100 pages. So you are only saying the 100 pages, 100 products. So for each product we need to market separate page, we need to create, and there we'll keep a buy button there, so that anybody click on that buy button, that only product can be sell. If you put two products in a one page, that can be not sell. Okay, in Amazon also you can see, if you click on the buy button, it goes to only that page only. Okay, same like that, you have to specify 100 pages. Okay, if it is a 100 courses, you have a 100 pages, like this you have to decide. Okay, now we have decided 10 pages, fine. So what I need to do? So here I need to search, same like this. So some companies are there, like GoDaddy. GoDaddy also uh, has a, they sell servers also, and Hostinger. This is also very good company. HostGator. Okay, like HostGator also very good company, and we have a Namecheap. So these are the different companies. You can take any of them, it depends on you. It is not that you have to take this only. I had taken domain from GoDaddy, so I need to take server from GoDaddy. It's not like that, it's your wish. Okay, you need to go to each company and see the prices, which are the having the less price, you can go for it. After that you can get connected also. So what we will do, we'll again go to the these companies. So where we go? So we need to type the servers. Okay, server you can type website server. Okay, servers means many servers will be there. So if you type website server, that will be good. So here, whenever you go, so these are the different companies you can see. So here, Wikipedia, Bluehost is there. Okay, Hostinger is there. Like this, many companies are there. Okay, you can go. It's your wish. For example, I want to go to Kodak, Hostinger. If I click on the Hostinger also very good company. So a lot of people will take Hostinger. I am also using Hostinger. So it is a very reliable company. Okay. So here you can see web hostings and what you need to see the major things in the when you taking the server. So thing is first you need to see the this customer support 24 by 7 it should be there. Okay, so lot of companies we need a support actually. Why? Because sometimes our websites can be maybe get problem, so we need to go to the support and ask. Okay, so if support is not for 24 hours, it is only for 5 hours 6 hours. So because of every time when the user will come we don't know. It is not like only the website will be only 10 hours. After 10 hours it will not display. It is not like that. 24 hours our website will work. So that is why majorly we can any problems comes instantly we can speak to the people and clear those problems. Okay, so apart from this what else we can see is we have to see the storage, how much storage we need required. Okay, so apart from that what we have to see, these are the features which are the companies providing the features. Okay, these are the major things you have to see. And here this hostinger, when you take the server what they are providing, they are providing free domain. Okay, so you can if you take the servers domain is free. Okay, again you need not to take a domain. Okay, if you invest server domain is also coming, only one domain it will give, not many. Okay, so we will go for plans. So what are the plans? So this is for one website. If you have hosted only one website, okay, how much? 89 rupees per month. Okay, what are the features they are giving? So they are giving 10 GB data for us. Okay, how many files we can store? This many 2 lakhs files we can store it. Okay, free build-up templates are there, automatic migration is there. SSL, this is the SSL we are talking about. SSL is free, so HTTPS you will get it. So if you see free SSL only, your HTTPS will come, otherwise HTTP will come. Okay, so mailbox free for 1 year. One mailbox means at least one email ID you can create. If you want many, you have to register for other. Weekly backups are there and a lot of WordPress vulnerabilities. And bandwidth is 100 GB. What is bandwidth? So bandwidth is nothing but, so for example, my website daily 1,000 people are coming. So 1,000 people will not come at same time. Okay, so 1,000 in 1,000 for 10 to 11, in between 10 to 11, so 500 people are coming. So if 500 people are coming at that same moment, so the bandwidth, that means every person should uh, click the website, it should open. Sometimes our website is not opening, our bandwidth is having a problem. Okay, that is the bandwidth. They are providing 100 GB of print, so there is a no problem at all, 100 GB. Okay, so apart from this, here they are providing free domain of 749 value. If it is more than 749 you have to pay for that. Okay, so these are the different features, so that those are not much. And second plan is how much. Here you can host 25 websites. You can go for 25 websites. How many websites? 25 websites. Okay, for each one server it can go for 25 websites, and how much it can withstand monthly. 25,000 people comes also, it your website will be work properly. And how much data they are providing, 25 GB they are providing. How many files you can store, this many files. And here unlimited is SSL. 50 mailboxes means 50 mails you can uh, create it. Okay, weekly backups, all these the other things. Okay, here also free domain. If you go for another plan like this, it depends on how many website you want, how much storage you want. On that you can go for it. So I want to go for this plan. How much it costs for me? So if I click on this, so here if I click this, how much it is costing? 7,015. Okay, so it is for 48 months. What it means? 4 years. For 4 years you can, it is showing. For 12 months I want, means how much it is? 2,268, 628. How much it is? 2,628. Means I need to invest 2,628 for 12 months. Okay, so that is the, if I am ready, because they are giving a discount of this much. So you can continue and take the domain. Like this we will take same. If you have a credit card, debit card, UPI, okay, whatever the payment option you can take, immediately it get deducted and you will get it. Okay, so this is how we take the server. Okay, so after taking that, then we need to combine the both the domain and server. Later on we'll see what how to combine. And here we'll go for, we have a different types of servers as well. Okay, so based on your requirement we can take different type of servers. Here first is a shared hosting we have. So what I've shown is shared server, means many people can share 25 websites like that, they can share with a single hosted server. Okay, same server. Okay, but it has a limited resources, because if you are hosting 25 websites in a one server, what happened? Sometimes you are having a many files, so that is a problem. Okay, so that is only the problem, because if you travel in a shared auto or shared anything, so it will be a problem for us. Okay, so for small companies, startups, you can go it after 6 months or marketing. If you do very good marketing, we can go for other hosting also. We have a VPS server. What is VPS? Virtual Private Server. So it is a kind of a machines. Okay, here also server will be there, but that some kind of a not more GB can be allocated, and separate machine is there. Means device will be there, and that is allocated for you. Okay, so you will have a many control, and it is a very good also. Okay, if you click on the website also, it opens very fast compared to the shared hosting. Okay, so if you have a, for example, if you have a more traffic for the, for example, more than 25,000, it is getting only 25,000 per month. For example, your website getting a how much, 1 lakh per month. Okay, traffic is getting 1 lakh per month, then you can go for these kind of website, or 50,000 or 30,000. You can choose and upgrade the server also. And apart from that, we have a dedicated is highly performance, and security is also very much. And for larger business, high traffic websites or e-commerce website, they can take it. So for this also you need to have a special person, network manager you have to have. So he can only do what. Okay, for VPS we can't, for up to VPS we can handle. For dedicated we can't handle, because it's a totally too technical for us. Okay, so this is applied for larger company like Just Dial, Okay, Suleka or many other websites are there. So they have dedicated servers. They will not have small servers. Okay, because larger companies. Okay, and we have a cloud hosting also. What is cloud hosting? So here works on SaaS application. What is SaaS application? So software has a usage. Okay, how much you are using? For example, you are using 10 GB of data only. For that only you will pay. For that only it will show. Sometimes what happened? We don't know when traffic will come, when traffic will not come. Suddenly, if we take small shade server, suddenly 10,000 people came at same time. So our website will not open to others. So if it is a cloud server, it will not like that. So it will withstand 10,000 people also can see your website. So according to usage, it will show your website. Okay, it will expand also. Okay, that is the things in the cloud as server. If you want to take this upgradation, if you have many traffic or getting highest traffics, then you can go. Initially you can go for shade also, because these are highly costly. It goes in lakhs of rupees. It is not the 5,000, 10,000. It will lakhs of rupees you need to invest. Okay. Managed hosting. What is managed hosting? So it is non-technical. So if you are not from BTech or BSc background, so you don't. I am also from data. We don't know that much coding. So here we can go for small WordPress websites, all easily manageable. We can understand the terminology. We can work that like WordPress websites. For that also we have a separate WordPress websites. So it is a very easy to operate. Okay. So like this we have a, these are the main website servers. Okay, so according to that you can take it. And other servers also there, like based on the server technology. Apache servers are there, Nginx servers are there, Microsoft servers are there, Lightspeed. So this is about whoever want more upgradation, they can take it. So for us, we don't use that much. Okay, so this is the things how you can see this, how to choose the website, how to choose the which website. Like this I have given the information also. This I will send to you, so later on you can study this material also. This will be helpful for you. Okay, so here I have given the all the what is domain and what is server and what is the different types of server as well. Okay, so you can go and do the things. Okay, so this is about today's topic, and on Monday we will go about how to connect server and domain. How to connect the server and domain, and how to host WordPress website. Means how to install. Host means install WordPress website. Okay, so you will learn this also tomorrow. If anybody asks, you can only install, very easy. It is not a complex, very easy process. So you will learn and you will install and you can work on that website as well. Okay, so any doubts so far today's class? Anybody?
No.
Okay, fine. So please send your email IDs also. This class is recorded, so I will send a recording class by tomorrow. So maximum tomorrow I will send, and you can see that recording. I will send email. Why? Because if I send to WhatsApp also, I can send. Sometimes you can lose the link. Okay, if it is email, in future after 1 month or 2 months also you can refer that link. It will be stay there already. Okay, so whenever you want you can take that. And notes also I'll send through email only. That email only I'll send it. Okay, make sure you send your email address to me. Okay.
Do you have any institute or do you train personally?
Yeah, I have an institute as well. In Amirpet, I have an institute. As of now, I'm working with another project. So I have not, I close it for temporary. So I'm reopening on from June first week. So again, I'll come there and I'll sit on there, and we have some students also comes there, and they can work. Okay, they can work from. I'll come maximum 9:30 to 5 o'clock. I'll be staying. So the people also come with their laptops, and they can work also. Okay, they can hear the classes, and they can work with me also if they want. Okay, or else you can hear and you can go away also. It depends on you. If you want offline classes, you can get the offline classes also. Okay, got it.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Lina, thank you.